how to animate your logo with AI using Cluso. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we'll cover 3 simple methods. Let Cluso automatically animate your logo, tell Cluso exactly how you want your logo to animate, customize ready-made animation templates from Cluso's library. Method 1. Automatically animate your logo. First, open the Cluso website. Next, click Create with Prompt and make sure Animation is selected. Now, click the plus icon, select Add Reference Image, choose your logo from your device, and click Open to upload it. Once your logo is uploaded, type a simple prompt like Animate my logo. Then click Generate and let Cluso create the animation for you. Within a few seconds, Cluso will generate a clean, smooth, and professional-looking logo animation that's ready to use in your videos, presentations, or branding. Method 2. Create a custom logo animation. If you want more creative control, Cluso makes that easy too. Start by uploading your logo as a PNG file, then describe exactly how you'd like it to animate. For example, you could use a prompt like, Create a smooth trace animation for my logo with a clean, modern reveal. If you're not sure how to write the perfect prompt, simply click Enhance Prompt. Cluso will automatically improve your prompt for better results. You can also choose a different AI model before generating the animation, depending on the style or quality you're looking for. Once everything is set, click Generate. You can further fine-tune your animation by adjusting settings like the animation speed and stroke width until it looks exactly the way you want. Method 3. Use ready-made templates. If you don't want to create an animation from scratch, you can use Cluso's ready-made templates instead. Simply browse the available logo animation templates and choose the one that best matches your style or brand. Once you find a template you like, apply it to your logo, and Cluso will automatically generate the animation for you. This is the fastest and easiest way to create a professional-looking logo animation, especially if you want great results without adjusting prompts or settings yourself. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a polished professional logo animation without using complex animation software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.